Hello, Sindri. A lot of you ask me how I take care of my hair after I color it. This is how I do it. I booked a hair coloring appointment with Urban Clap, and I'm going to leave the person's link in the description box who colored my hair. This is what it looks like half an hour after. The first thing I do is use Olaplex number 3. You can buy this online. Yes, it's expensive, but it works really well. I like to wash my hair after the hair color and then apply this on damp hair. Do not try to apply this on dry hair. It just doesn't work. You can apply this on your scalp as well. There's not a lot of problems with that, but I just want to use the product, so I'm only applying it on my lens. Olaplex number 3 works within 20 minutes, so you can apply it and then wash your hair, which is exactly what I do, but you can also leave it for about half an hour, works the same. After that, I've just styled my hair, and this is my curl cast, gel cast. It was very difficult for me to dry my hair, but this is my hair the other day. I'm just crunching out the crunch, which is bare hands, no product. And I actually really loved how my hair color turned out. This is what it looks like in direct sunlight. I love the shade of red. The hair does not feel damaged because of the Olaplex. I love the color. I'm going to leave the profile link of the artist that did that in the description box. Look at that bounce. If you have any other questions about how to style curly hair, leave them in the comment section as well. Bye.